Hey everybody! Today I'm going to share with you how you can help your dog overcome their fear of explosions and fireworks.
Мамочки.
There are many things that don't actually pose a threat to our dog's life or health, but they still end up being scared of them. In these situations, dogs can sense that energy of explosions and gunshots, causing them to want to run away as far as possible.
І вона хоче втекти від цього як можна далі. Це
And
абсолютно
that's
нормальна
a completely normal reaction.
Перше, що треба
The most
розуміти,
crucial thing
це
to do
слідкувати за собою.
is to pay attention
Собака,
to your
коли їй
own
страшно,
reaction.
коли якась критична
When a dog
ситуація,
is scared in a critical situation, they always look to their owner for cues.
Господар реагує.
How you react and behave can make a big
Якщо ви
difference.
якось виказуєте свою
If you show your worry on
нервованість,
anxiety
починаєте
by becoming restless and frantic, your dog can pick up
цей
on
стан емоційний
those
передається так
emotions.
само вашій собаці.
Therefore, it's important to be mindful of your own behavior and
Якщо вам
remain
треба
composed.
перейти в укриття, спокійно,
If you need to seek shelter, calmly and without panic, make your way to a safe place. Explosive sounds can occur not only during time of war, but also in peaceful time, such as fireworks. Although I hope they will be prohibited. There are also other sudden loud noises to be aware of. It's crucial to start working with a puppy in advance, before they have a chance to experience something negative. When a puppy is still young, around 1, 2 or 3 months old, explosive sound may not be as frightening to them. They will easily become accustomed to this stimulus. Take note of dogs that were born and raised in environments with loud condition, like train stations or noisy factories. A dog may be lying near train tracks, surrounded by noise and commotion, and not react at all. That's why when I discuss socializing and adapting a dog, we need to undertake specific tasks. We should expose our puppy to various sounds like clapping, crashing, banging, squealing, and more. Anything that comes to mind, you should introduce it to your puppy. But remember, the key to success here is taking it step by step. If your dog has never been exposed to the sound of an explosion and suddenly encounters fireworks or gunshots nearby, it can become excessively frightened. That's why we gradually introduce scary sounds from a distance. To start, you can play explosion sounds on the TV for your dog. Begin with a low volume and gradually increase it. Make it a background noise so that your dog becomes familiar with it. There's nearby shooting range. You can take your dog for a walk in the vicinity while shots are being fired. It's important to choose an initial distance where your dog can hear the sound without being scared and gradually get used to it. During this stage, it's beneficial to associate positive experience with the sound. For example, you can reward your dog with tasty food like sausage or meat. If your dog enjoys playing, you can incorporate a toy into the process.
звук вибуху.
The sound of the explosion
Це може
can
допомогти.
be associated
Це має
with
бути
the
так.
playtime.
Тобто
Sound is a
звук
stimulus.
в нас
A
є
stimulus
стимул,
elicits
на
a certain
стимул
reaction.
може з'явитися якась реакція. Якщо ми не
If we
пропонуємо
don't
собаці
provide
якусь
the dog
реакцію,
with the
типу, візьми
appropriate
мене шматочок,
reaction,
або
such as giving them a
побіжи за
treat or
м'ячиком,
fetching a ball,
реакція може бути
any kind of
будь-яка.
reaction
Собака
can
може
occur.
злякатись, може почати
The dog
агресивно
may get
поводитись,
scared,
лаяти на цей
exhibit
звук
aggressive behavior,
тощо.
bark, run
Тому
away,
не треба
and so on.
чекати, коли ваша собака
Therefore,
якось буде реагувати
you
в
shouldn't
цю
wait to see
ситуацію.
how your
Ви
pet will
маєте
react in
штучно
such a
створити
situation.
цю ситуацію і прив'язати
You should
позитивну
artificially
емоцію.
create the situation and
зв'язану
associate
з
a
цим
positive emotion
звуком.
with the sound.
Якщо ця робота
If for some
була,
reason you haven't done this
не
exercise
проведена,
before, and
що
your dog
вирішило
hasn't
вас
had a positive
підготувати
experience
певним
and
чином
is
свою
already
собаку,
afraid
і
of sudden
вже
sounds, running
історія
away,
така є,
trembling,
що вона вже
you should
боїться,
create a
що
special
вона
place in your
тікає,
home
вона
where the
трясеться.
dog will feel safe.
Що треба робити?
You can
Створити
create a
вдома
small
якесь
house-like
місце, де
structure,
собака буде
a shelter,
відчувати
or a
себе в
cozy den
безпеці.
with
Можна
a roof
зробити якусь
where the dog
штучну
can crawl
конуру.
in and feel protected from all
Це
sides,
якесь приміщення,
which will
так,
make them
як
calmer.
клітка якась. Ви можете
Alternatively,
взяти собаку
you can
в
pick
руки,
up the dog,
можете
pet him,
гладити,
and speak to
розмовляти
him in a
спокійним
calm
тоном.
voice.
Можете
Try to redirect
спробувати
his attention
перевести її
to
увагу
delicious
все-таки
food,
на смаколики.
something he loves the most.
Якщо собака
However,
вже в сильному
if your dog
стресі,
is already
зрозуміло,
in a
що,
severe distress,
вона
he
буде
may
відмовлятися
refuse food.
від їжі. Є
There are
спеціальні
special licking
техніки
mats
для вилизування.
available that can also be used.
Теж можна їх використовувати.
Spread some paint on the mat
Замазали,
and the dog
дали
will lick it,
собаці, собака вилизує,
which helps him
собака
calm down.
себе заспокоює. Конг.
Moisten the rest and spoon it into the toys. Then freeze it. Loaded Kong out of the freezer, place a dollop of something easy and tasty to start with over the big hole. Now, they take their Kong meals in a crate or on a bed. Same place, every time. Routines are the backbone of training.
Забили якимось
You can
смачним
also
фаршем,
fill a Kong toy with
чимось,
tasty
дуже
food.
смачним, дали
The dog
собаці,
will
собака виковирює
extract
собі
pieces
щось,
and chew on the
жує
toy,
його,
which
заспокоюється,
helps
знімає
elevate
з себе
stress.
стрес.
If you
Якщо
tried
все
all of
це
these methods
в
together and they
совокупності
haven't been
не
successful,
допомагає,
it's
ви
important
все
to
робите,
consider
але нічого не
seeking
допомагає.
help from
Треба
a veterinarian.
якось,
It is absolutely
вживати
crucial that you don't attempt to
медикаментозно,
administer
але
medication
не
on
треба
your
щось
own.
вигадувати.
Instead,
Будь ласка,
consult a
сходіть
veterinarian
до
to
ветеринара,
obtain
спитайте
professional
його думку,
guidance.
який препарат,
He will
буде
provide
безпечний,
advice on safe
і
medications
що краще
and how to use
використовувати
them properly
в
in
цих
such
ситуаціях.
situations.
Підсумуємо.
To sum up, it's important to start early in life and give
Багато
significant
треба
attention,
приділяти цьому
desensitizing your
часу,
dog to
свого
different
котика
sounds.
до різних звуків.
Take it slowly and
Поступово,
gradually rather
все
than
одразу.
rushing the process.
Спочатку там з воздушних
Begin with
кульок,
balloons and gradually introduce more
Далі
challenging sounds.
створити собаці
Create a
місце,
secure
де вона
and
буде,
comfortable space for your
відчувати себе
dog.
в безпеці. Дати
Give
собаці
your pet
можливість
opportunities
займатися
to
чимось
engage
приємним.
in
Килимки,
enjoyable
конг,
activities
якісь
such as
смаколики.
using licking mats, Kong toys,
Поводитись
or
спокійно,
treats.
демонструвати своїй собаці,
Demonstrate
що ви нічого не
Calm
боїтесь,
behavior towards
немає
your dog,
приводу
showing
для
him
паніки,
that you
все
are not
нормально,
afraid
все
and
спокійно,
there
ви
is
все
no
контролюєте.
need to panic.
Якщо все це не працює,
Don't hesitate
звертайтесь,
to
будь
consult
ласка.
a veterinarian.
Дякую.